people, but they all around now. Kita sebagai rakyat Malaysia, kita rasa kita macam di negara. Kita mau jalan-jalan pun orang kata sensitif. What the reason sensitif? Itu dah kita nampak.
Saya bagi 1 minit untuk bersurai. Ada pasukan pelangkap 8, tangkap. Arahan Dawangi 1, tangkap.
The leaders and those who participated today to be released unconditionally. Okay, so see, you people can arrest 300 people, 1,000 people, but the feeling of the Indian can never be arrested. Just like you cannot arrest air, you cannot arrest sea water, correct? The feelings of human beings are of those nature. You can, the more you arrest, okay, the more you are actually you are inducing the community. You see, the community, the Hindraf actually officially applied for permit. All right, applied, and you are denied. Okay, and then peaceful of gathering. Okay, we don't have any weapon. We don't have any weapon. Indian people have never carried weapon. Peaceful gathering is not allowed in this country. And then how about we are going to tell the government? We want to release the leaders to be released.
Let us investigate.
What? What is that to investigate? What is that to investigate? It has been in He wants us to come in and make a report. I told them, you release the leaders. They will submit the memorandum and they will make a report, not we. Okay, so we want unconditional release of the leaders, that's all. And then just now the Sikh man, I don't know what is his name, the police, he said, oh okay, you all go there. You all can go there. Then I'll take this as a blessing for us to stand here until the leaders are released. That's all. So with his blessing, hopefully the police will not take any action on us. There for us negotiation. Our negotiation is only the unconditional release of the leaders. That's all. Until then, we will gather here.
We will be doing it?
We won't know. We will wait for it.
Okay. Will you all be waiting here?
Yeah. Yes.
Hunger strike?
Yes.
Until night? Until tomorrow also, no problem. Okay.
Situation now, according to the authority, ask us to wait 3 o'clock, we will wait 3 o'clock. So according to our Hindraf representative, we have to wait. So he will give us what to do next. Protest, okay, say ma, 1, 2, 3, ella kaidunga, 1, up, 1, right. Avlodha. No. Silent. Let's protest. Right. Asli சொல்லுங்கயா.
Okay, for the attention of press, okay, my name is Tyagarajan. Okay, I'm a CEC member of HRP and I'm an Hindraf coordinator, and I'm leading the team right now at Central Balai. Okay, basically what we want to tell, we are waiting for another few minutes for the OCPD to update us, okay, on the status of the detainee. Okay, what we understand, if they don't release by 3:30, we're gonna hold the candlelight vigil in this evening. And for your information, there is an MP present here, okay, from the political party. Okay, my message is very clear and very simple. Okay, actually we don't invite them. Okay, the reason why, because if they are really sincere, okay, they should talk about this interlock issue. Okay, not here. Okay, not to come to the ground to champion the issue to win the Indians' heart. They should go back to the parliament and file the emergency motion and fight then and there. That is why we vote for the opposition in the last election. But our fate remains same. Okay, even the 53 years AMNO doesn't do anything for us. And then we vote for the Pakatan. Even the Pakatan did the same. Okay, what is the difference? So there is no point them to coming in today. And again, let them go back. Okay, and if they are sincere, we want them to take action. Okay, so-called, and you see in our compilation of the video, the Anwar Ibrahim, the opposition leader of the Anwar Ibrahim, said the interlock novel is not such bad novel. Don't you find this ridiculous? This is what we are voting them for. No, basically, I would like to conclude there is no difference between the PKR and to the BN. So we are here to fight our own battle, and the peoples are here who sincere, and we will fight until the end. Okay. Last but not least, Hindraf! 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 Udaykumar! 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 Vedamurthy! 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 Manila Urmai!
Also affects
Hello, sir, MP.
Indians a lot.
Please, if you want to give statement, please over there.
Sure.
Don't exploit our struggle.
I understand. I understand.
I understand. Maybe you can go that side and give your own statement.
Maybe it's not proper. Maybe it's not proper for me to say this.
I understand.
If you want to
you are not helping the situation.
You are not helping. You are not helping. You are not invited. Sorry, sir. Okay. You are not invited. Police This is a Hindraf issue. No. You are not invited. If you want to champion the Indian issue, go to the parliament. Fight the
That's the proper way.
Enough.
It will be done.
Can you bring emergency motion?
It will be done.
No different. No different.
That will be done.
Even
That's the reason why we are.
Don't say it will be done. You should done it earlier. You know?
Why? Saya isteri dia lah. Kenapa tak boleh tengok suami saya?
Dia charge tak?
Saya tak ada apa-apa
Saya tak faham lah, Encik. Dia
Cuma seorang saja dia nak
isteri pun tak boleh jumpa suami ke? Please lah, what are you doing?
Seorang nak masuk pun tak boleh.
Kidnap him out. Tak ada. Apa? Siasatan itu you punya. That's your part.
Dia ada rights
I want to see my husband. That's it.
Ada right, ada right.
Suami dia ada ke tak ada dalam tu?
Section 28.
Okay, my question is, my husband inside or not?
Ada ke tak ada? Suami dia ada ke tak ada?
Suami dia nama apa?
Udayakumar.
Ada.
Ada
But
kan
can
masih
I
dalam?
see him?
Cannot lagi. Nanti dulu kita dalam
Lagi
siasatan
berapa lama
dulu.
lagi?
Tunggu sekejap.
Berapa lama lagi, Encik?
Setengah
Saya
jam
kena
lagi,
tunggu.
setengah jam.
Setengah jam, I'll come back here.
Okay,
Okay?
setengah jam.
Your word, ah?
Tadi cakap 3:30.
Hindraf! Bebaskan! 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 Bebaskan!
You promised 3:30 now. What time?
Okay. This is another half an hour.
Okay. At least let the wife go in lah.
Let the wife go in lah.
இல்ல 3:30 மணிக்கு நீங்க நியூஸ் சொல்றீங்கன்னா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்.
Okay, I'm OCS for this one.
No, I don't want to talk to you also. You are a Mando. You are a powerless. Okay, you back off. We don't want to talk to you. You call the decision maker. This is what we don't want.
OCS na நீங்க ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி நடந்துறணும் 3:30 மணிக்கு. OCS no power.
Okay, sir.
Listen, when I'm talking, you listen. Okay? You told us 10 minutes. Okay? As I told you, it's a diabetic. It's a heart patient. No, listen, Silan. No. Police camera pati naanga terinjam. But you're telling me a wife cannot see the husband, you know. I'm sorry, Silan. நான் உங்ககிட்ட பேசி பிரயோஜனம் இல்ல. ஏன்னா பேசுனது வேற ஆளு. Okay? We will wait 10 minutes. Full stop.
You just type in. Informers. Everything informers first.
But we will still fight. We will never give up the struggle, and we will be at the forefront to fight against racism in Malaysia. சரியா? So இந்த இனவாதத்தை மலேசியா நாட்டுல இந்த இனவாத போரை வந்துட்டு நம்ம வந்து ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டோம். இன்னைக்கு பிப்ரவரி 27ஆம் தேதி மலேசியா சரித்திரத்திலே ஒரு புது சரித்திரம். அதாவது என்னன்னு சொன்னா இந்த இனவாத போர்ல வந்து நம்ம வந்துட்டு கால எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கோம். இந்த இன்டர்லாக் இந்த நாவல் வந்துட்டு நம்மள வந்து ஒரு புது போர் கொண்டு போயிருக்கு. இனவாதம், the fight against racism. We will fight forever. இன்னைக்கு இவங்களை விட்டோனே we are still going to continue. நாளைக்கும் we will continue and we will continue for the week until the interlock book is revoked. சரியா?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
இது வரைக்கும் நான் பேசுறது கிளியரா விளங்குச்சா?
Thank sir.
Okay.
Nang kita makan apa ni?
Bang, ini untuk apa bang?
Ya, ini untuk kita mau duduk sampai dia bila mau lepas. 2 hari ke 1 minggu pun kita mau tidur sini semua orang.
Dan wang ini untuk
wang ini untuk mau beli candle dan untuk mineral water air semua.
This is for our Indian power. Indraf.
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 Angola lah கொடுத்தாங்க.
கீழ செஞ்சு பாருங்க. உரிமையும் இழந்தோம், உணர்வையும் இழந்தோம், உணர்வை இழக்கலாமா? உண்மையை கொடுத்து உயிராய் வளர்த்த கனவை மறக்கலாமா? ஓடி இளையன நினைத்தால் மனிதன் வாழ்வை நினைக்கலாமா? வாழ்வை சுமையென நினைத்து தாயின் கனவை நினைக்கலாமா? சாகலாமா? இழந்தோம், உணர்வையும் இழந்தோம், உணர்வை இழக்கலாமா? உணர்வை கொடுத்து உயிராய் வளர்த்த கனவை மறுக்கலாமா? ஓடி இளையன நினைத்தால் மனிதன் வாழ்வை நினைக்க